Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 15 alkaline foods that prevent obesity, cancer, and heart disease. When it comes to eating healthy and getting in shape, we need to start introducing more alkaline foods in our diet. These types of foods are going to create an alkaline environment in our body and promote our overall health. They will also help you slim down faster and keep those pounds away forever, unlike the modern diets which mostly have a yo-yo effect. Below is a list of 15 of the most alkaline foods you need to start eating on a daily basis if you want to shed the excess pounds, stay healthy, and live longer. These alkaline foods will help you lower your risk of cancer, prevent obesity, and promote your cardiovascular health. Lettuce. One leaf of lettuce salad contains just 3 calories, which is an excellent option if you're trying to lose weight. Berries. All berries are abundant in vitamin C, which is great for skin disorders, digestion, heart issues, and act as a diuretic. Eggs. Eggs are a rich source of proteins, but you need to eat them boiled and not fried. Cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. These are all low in calories and should be consumed a few times per week. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is abundant in bromelain, which boosts the fat-burning process. Apples and plums. Another great source of potassium and vitamin C. They can improve your digestion and cardiovascular system. Beet. Beets are great for regulating the sugar levels in your blood, promoting fat burning and strengthening your muscles. Zucchini. Zucchini is an excellent food choice for regulating your water salt ration and promoting your intestinal health. Cucumber. These veggies are known for their high water content, 90%, and will hydrate your body, reduce the swelling, and promote a healthy weight. Bananas have cardioprotective properties, improve your digestion, regulate your blood sugar levels, and help you get in shape. Celery is full of water and an excellent diuretic.